Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and that behind me is my 1992 Dodge Dakota LE with a 2.5 liter with a manual stick. In this video, we're gonna replace the grill. As you can see right there, it is mangled. I bought it that way, and this corner is messed up. That being said, procured a replacement. So we're going to be changing this out on this. As you can tell, this is held on by 4 screws on top, 2 on the bottom. 1 here, 1 here. But as you can also tell by these reliefs, that these headlight bezels have got to come out. And those look like to be held on by screws as well. There's 1, 2, and I think there's 3 here, maybe 4 on the back side. Oh. So if you can see, you've got 1, 2, and if you look down in there, there's 1, 2. So there'll be 4 here. Pull this out, do the same thing there, and then we can do get the grill out. So hopefully this should be an easy replacement for you guys. Yeah, I will probably be doing time warp now. Boom, off time warp. So yeah, apparently my new one is missing the lower support right here. This is the old one, doesn't have that, but that one's all mangled. So even though this is busted on this guy, that is still better shape than what was on there. So basically you have 4 screws around each bezel, 4 on top of the bumper, or on the grill, and then 1 down here in the middle. So this guy here can slide around and do what it needs to do. It's part of the brace. So yeah, now we're going to do a reverse order, put this in. Let's put the new one in, put it around. Eventually I am going to try to look for another housing that's all yellowed compared to at least that guy. They're plastic. I may have to try to buff it out. Who knows? So yeah. And I'm assuming that was there because the grill was messed up. As you can also tell, assortment of screws. I am guessing this has been busted because all these other ones are these black guys. They're all the same, but I've got 4 that are not. These 2 are much bigger. This guy is long, so I'm assuming it got broke and someone just shoved whatever they had for screws for fasteners in. It is what it is. I'll put them back pretty much the same. I'm probably going to replace this guy with that guy because it's not longer, and that guy's not going to go back in. So, okay. Reverse order, 3, 2, 1, time warp. Boom, off time warp. Hopefully y'all can see that. Tip, put the bottom screws in first, just because you can move the bezel around a little bit on either side. And then I left everything loose, so had a little bit of play to get it. And by the way, that looks better now. Doesn't look so rattly. I know it doesn't have the brace there, so it's a little flexy, but I don't think that's going to be a lot better than what it was. It's a little tight here on the stuff, and this seems to be just fine. So yeah. So 2 and 2. This screw is common to both the bell house or the bezel and the grill. 4 across the top. Bezel's got 4. This one's shared. There's 1 in the center. You can get it by just going through the top of the housing here, like I was showing earlier. So like right in there and right over there. Just get a flashlight. You can see it. It's pretty easy to install, pretty easy to flip out. I like it. She looks a lot better than what she did before. Now she doesn't look so, one would say, broke down, whatever. So, yep, easy install. I've had that grill for, I could say, almost a year. Me and my son went to go pick it up when it was going to be his truck. He's not a fan. His lost my game. Nice little truck. I'll be doing more work on it this summer as well. I know this isn't 300ZX stuff, nor is Dodge Stealth stuff. That stuff's coming as well. It's springtime. I just need to get some of this stuff taken care of and cleaned up in my garage. So if you guys have any comments about this project or any other project I've got going on, or anything you want to see about any of these vehicles, whether it's Dodge Stealth, 300ZX, Dodge Dakota, PT Cruiser, there's a bajillions of those out there. I've had to do work on them. Durango, I had to do that. Wife's minivan. Those are pretty well documented. But like, to be fair, this grill, not that it wasn't difficult and it wasn't that hard and I didn't know exactly what I was doing, but there are no videos on it as far as I could tell on how to do a grill replacement for a Gen 1 Dodge Dakota. Gen 2s and 3s, those are all taken care of. Those guys have got those documented, and those are different because they're attached to the top. So I think that should do it for this video, guys. Should be nice and sweet and short. If you have any comments or questions, hit me up below. I'm pretty responsive. If not, please like and subscribe if you haven't hit that. Hopefully you made it to the end. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.